Hello kids, welcome to KiddosTV. Today we are going to learn alphabets. We will be learning the alphabets using these cutouts. So let us get started. This is A. A for apple. A. A for apple. We will remove this cutout. And here we have the letter A. A for apple. This is B. B for ball. This is B. B for ball. We will remove this cutout and see the letter B. This is B. B for ball. This is C. C for cat. C for cat. We have removed this cutout. This is C. C for cat. This is D. D for dog. We will remove this cutout. This is D. D for dog. D for dog. This is E. E for elephant. E for elephant. We will remove this cutout. E. E for elephant. This is F. F for fish. This is F. F for fish. This is G. G for goat. G for goat. G for goat. This is H. H for hat. H. H for hat. We will remove this cutout. This is H. H for hat. This is I. I for ice cream. I for ice cream. This is I. I for ice cream. This is J. J for jug. J. J for jug. We have removed this cutout and here we have the letter J. J for jug. This is K. K for kite. K for kite. Let us remove this cutout. This is K. K for kite. This is L. L for lion. L. L for lion. Let us remove this cutout. This is L. L for lion. This is M. M for monkey. M. M for monkey. Let us remove this cutout. This is M. M for monkey. This is N. N for nest. N. N for nest. Let us remove this. This is N. N for nest. This is O. O for owl. O. O for owl. We will remove this cutout. This is O. O for owl. This is P. P for parrot. P for parrot. We will remove this cutout with P. P for parrot. This is Q. Q for queen. Q for queen. Let us remove this and see this letter Q. Q for queen. This is R. R for rabbit. R for rabbit. Let us remove this. This is R. R for rabbit. R for rabbit. This is S. S for sun. S for sun. S for sun. We will remove this cutout and remove the letter S. This is S. S for sun. This is T. T for tiger. T for tiger. Let us remove this cutout. This is letter T. T for tiger. This is U. U for umbrella. U for umbrella. Let us remove this. U. U for umbrella. U for umbrella. This is V. V for van. V. V for van. Let us remove this cutout. This is V. V for van. V for van. This is W. W for watermelon. W for watermelon. We will remove W. W for watermelon. W for watermelon. This is X. X for Xmas. X for Xmas. Let us remove this. Here we have X. X for Xmas. This is Y. Y for yo-yo. Y for yo-yo. Let us remove this. This is Y. Y for yo-yo. This is Z. Z for zebra. Z for zebra. Z for zebra. Let us remove this and have a look at the Z. Z for zebra. Thank you kids. I hope you like all these letters. Thank you for watching this. Do like and subscribe. Bye bye.